Hey y'all, this is Bitty Boo. We're here at the meetup in Sulphur. There's Miss Hayden. There's Mr. Daniel. Joe Jack's dad. There's Mr. Houston. There's Downtown 66 Lori. There's Terry from MT Homestead. I'm not sure who this lady is. There's Cassie from Walker Farm Fam. There's two old people on a couch. Brandy is talking in the back there. There's Pafford Family Homestead. There's Miss Brenda Baker. There's Mr. Keeping It Dutch. Porter Valley Ranch, Fowler Family Farm, Adrenaline Life, Keeping It Dutch. There's Jaws, Journey Along with Shannon. There's Chad from Adler Farms. There's Rustic Woodwork. There's Moorhead Homestead. There's Gary. There's Mrs. Moorhead. There's Kevin. There's Rachel from Hidden Heights. There's LG Homestead. There's Mr. MT Farms.